Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse. My flu is better and I am here. Guys, umenga nobuntu, right? Unobuntu does see the red flags, right? We are born red flags, but hayi man mabathi indoda izokushaya indoda izokushaya, right? With that said, Menga buys her a beautiful car, and she's starting to ask ukuthi, where do you get the money from? And Umenga, can't you trust me? It's money that I got from retiring from Ebisotsheni. Hey ha. But deep down, I think unobuntu knows ukuthi hayi man, la gijima something straight. Hey, umenga nonobuntu baze baba na office nina ngiyantshela nina. Umenga aza surprise unobuntu ngeoffice, blindfolded her. Mabathi se office ni unobuntu appreciated umenga ukuthi thank you for saving me. If you didn't come when you had came, I would have married an old man, an old ugly ass man. Yo guys, like unobuntu feels ukuthi she's on cloud 9. And Umenga said, I put your name like this because one day I want to remove you from the Gumede surname. Hey, Uka is saying all the good things. But Mina, I don't trust Umenga from a bar of soap. Sorry, I don't. Like something yakichimala. Tatiani amalisi ge Umenga. Come home, make Unobuntu sign everything. Like everything is literally signed. Like Unobuntu is signing her life away without even knowing. Girl is not reading. Girl is just signing. She believes Menga's lies. She believes everything. But at this point, whatever happens, it's on Nobuntu. That's it. Umamzobe yena ke unikwe itask ngisho ukuthi uzohamba ngamakoro ahambe vele ugela afike umanzimande athi ngiyaxolela because ngumkamvelasi ngeke ngihlale ngibe nama grudges. Unokubonga say, I forgive you on one condition. You go and tell Mabusi what you did, all the witchcraft that you did. You tell her nje, wait by wait. Yazin Umamzobe, like right now she's a prayer warrior. Girl is praying left, right, and center. I don't know which I miraculously make these things disappear or what, but girl is a prayer warrior, like legit, right? Okay, fine. Praise, then goes and approaches Umabusi. I talks to Mabusi. Umamzobe ke aye ku tishera yakhe or her discipler, right? I'm I have apologized to people. I've done my part, but I also need to apologize to more people. And then she asked, who would you like to apologize to? And said, you, your husband, and your sister wife. I went there, shem. I keep his zonki into begazenza no. But maka keep into bekazenza nensila kamkhululi. I keep her humbly Umamzobe ngithi the wives were shocked. The wives were shocked. Ugatsheni ke abona ukuthi yazini Umamzobe vele uzikhiphile izindaba sekaseli nabafazi bakhe. Hayi abatshela ukuthi ozoyithi vu uzongazi kahle. Ozoyithi vu uzongazi kahle ke. But Umamzobe goes to the last person to apologize to, which is uPhakathwayo. Hayi ugirl uzamile, but uPhakathwayo won't budge. Uphakathwayo tungavusa into zakudala. It's not as if they're gonna make any difference, but we don't know ukuthi eventually uPhakathwayo will fold and forgive or not. However, at this point, the Gumedes are celebrating the fact that Ukabsile has been accepted to medical school. Girl, happy. So for now, we can close the video by saying, congratulations, Gabi girl. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe.